Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am also a beginner learning AI and Python, and in this video we will learn Google Gemini API with Python together. And this is not an expert level video. I am learning and sharing everything step by step. So let's understand it together. First, we will install the Google Generative AI library. This library allows Python to talk with Gemini models directly. After this, we will go to the Google Studio. For the we need API key. So we will click on the Google AI Studio API key. And then here you can see here get API key. And in that we will click on create API key. You can name it anything like you want. Like here I will name this the first AI app and then select a project or import, or I will create a project for you, which is first attempt, and then create and then select it. Yes, sorry for the slow internet. And then click on first attempt and then create key, and do not share the API key to anyone. Now click on it and then here click on key, and then from here copy. As you can see, here is a copy option. Copy the API key and paste it in your notepad. For my Mac, I will paste it in online notepad, but for you, you copy it in your notepad app. Okay, and okay, now we will import Google Generative AI as GenAI. Okay, now we will see the available Google Gemini models. Okay, now we will configure our Google Gemini API key. So let's start. We will import GenAI dot configure bracket API underscore key equals to our API key. So remember, do not share your API key. I copied my API key here. I'll copy my API key and then paste it in here. Okay. Do not share your API key to anyone, please. And don't copy my API key. And after executing this command, we can see the available models. For to see, we will run list GenAI dot models. But with this command, we can see all the available models that are available on our API key that we can use. Just wait a moment here. As you can see, there are lots of AI models for image generation, and then for again image generation, text based, image embedding. Okay, so what we need? We need the latest which is present in top, like sorry, okay, here, this one, Gemini 2.5 hyphen flash. Okay, we will go down, and uh, for the exact model we will type for I in GenAI bracket list underscore models and bracket close colon print I dot name. By running this command, we will see all the models name directly. Okay, now we will copy paste this model name and then we will call the model here, like model is equals to GenAI dot generative model, and then inside the bracket we will paste the copied model name and then run this command. Shift enter. As you can see, it's successfully run. Okay, and now let's test it out by response equal to inside this we will ask a question to our Gemini model 2.5 flash. Okay, so we call the response model equal to generative model, and then inside the bracket we will type our question like who is the no, we will take who is monkey D Luffy question mark. After running this command, as you can see, after running this command we are not getting any output. So for the output, we will do here dir of response. Our question is in text format and we need a question we need our output in text format. So here, as you can see, here is the text. Okay, we will copy the text and here we will type print response dot text. By this running sorry by this sorry by running this command we will see our output in proper text format like this. Yeah. See, Monkey D. Luffy is the protagonist of the incredibly popular Japanese manga anime series One Piece. Like, who is PM of India? After running this, going down and then running this again, we will see the current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and let's learn together. Thank you.